Are you looking for the best business to start? In this video, I am going to reveal the best business to start right now. But not only now, even if you are going to do this business 10 years, 20 years, or even 30 years from now, you are going to win. You just cannot be broke if you are going to do this business. So the business that I am talking about, what business am I talking about? But before that, let's just take a look at what could be the best business. A business that is going to be pandemic proof, because if it is not pandemic proof, probably you will be really having a really hard time in the time of the pandemic. And it should be having recession proof. A recession proof, because if you are not going to make money in the recession, then again you will start going down. Third, it should have recurring income so that you don't have to start from scratch every single month. A business that is having the passive income, so you can invest, you can grow your wealth for the long term. A business that can be automated, so if you want to go on the vacation, then this is business for you, right? And a business that can be started without a huge budget, because when someone is starting a business, he's not having like millions of dollars. He needs like, he wants to start with like few $1,000s or maybe less than that, right? So a business that can be started without any experience, and most important, a business that can get fast results in the 30 days, probably maybe 30 days, it depends on what effort you put. But the business model that I will be revealing has helped thousands of people to get results in just 30 days, right? So let's just compare this business model with some of the most popular businesses like drop shipping, Amazon FBA, course selling, affiliate marketing. So let's just see whether these businesses fall into category of this or not. Okay, so first off comes the Amazon FBA. Let's just look at, is it pandemic proof? No, because on the time of the pandemic, the manufacturing was not there, and even you could not deliver except the essential items, right? So was that recession proof? No, probably Amazon FBA is not the recession proof, because in the recession people will be buying the, is it having recurring revenue? Probably not. Can you be getting passive income? No. Can it be automated? Probably to some extent, but you just cannot automate and can go on the 6-month vacation. That's not how this business works. Can you start it without huge budget? Probably. If you are going to do Amazon FBA, you have to get the inventory, and even if you are going to do the e-com, you have to set up everything like LLC and all sorts of different things that takes up a lot of money, right? So can you really start this business without any experience? Probably you can start, but there will be a lot of pitfalls, right? Because you have to deal with a lot of different suppliers and all this. That's fine, that's the part of the journey, but you have to be prepared for that, right? And can you really get fast results in 30 days? Probably not, because you are going to take a lot of time in finding the suppliers, getting inventory, setting up your company, and all sorts of things. Right now, just let's just look at the second business, drop shipping. Is it pandemic proof? No. The same kind of thing like Amazon FBA. Recession proof? Again, no. Recurring income? No. Passive income? Probably not. Can it be automated? Just like Amazon FBA can be automated to some extent, but cannot be fully automated. Can you start it without huge budget? Probably you cannot do that. And can you really start this without any experience? As I told you, you could start, but there will be a lot of pitfalls, and that's a part of the journey, right? So can you really get fast results with this in the next 30 days? May or may not be, but probably it is going to take a lot of time. It's like 15-20 days will be there to just to set it up, right? Or maybe even a month. So it's really not going to get you fast results. So now let's just look at one of the most popular business, course selling business. Is it pandemic proof? Yeah, but actually this business thrives into the pandemic, because people want to make more money or people want to learn something new. They don't have anything extra to do, so people invest heavily into the courses, and these business just blast, right? Because they want to grow their income, they want to be healthy, and there are a lot of different things that happen. So this is a thriving business in the pandemic. Is it recession proof? Again, this business actually thrives in the recession, because people want to make more money in the recession, and there are a whole lot of things, but the simple thing is that this business actually thrives in the recession. And when it comes to recurring income, yes, you could put up a membership and you can start earning recurring income, right? Is it having passive income? Yeah, once you have set it up, you can start getting the passive income. But can it be automated? Yeah, it can be automated. Once you have set it up everything, you can automate it for like 2-3 months and can go on the vacation. Can you really start it without huge budget? Probably not. You have to get a lot of the tools and can you really start this without any experience? No, you have to have the results. You have to get the results for your clients. That's what matter into this business. And can you really get fast results in 30 days? It actually depends, but for most people you are not going to get the result in the 30 days. But if you have the proof of concept, because that is the one thing that takes time, then only you can get the result in the 30 days, right? So now affiliate marketing, is it pandemic proof? Yeah, because when you are going to become an affiliate to someone, he wants more and more sales, especially in the time of the pandemic, right? So you will be making more and more money, and this is a thriving business in the pandemic. But is it recession proof? Yeah. Is it recession proof? Absolutely, because people will be buying more stuff that can help them fight recession, that can help them make more money. So it's really a thriving business in the recession as well. Is it having recurring income? Yes, you could start selling software and can start making recurring income. Is it having passive income? Probably it is not having the passive income, right? It is for the owner but not for the affiliate. Not in all of the cases, but you could say like in 50% of the cases there is passive income and 50% don't, right? You have to do things in a different way for that, right? Can it be automated? It cannot be automated to fully extent, because people who used to automate, they got the Google slap, they got the Facebook slap, and that's how their journey ended, and they still haven't recovered from years and years, right? Can you start without a huge budget? Absolutely, you could start. Can you really start this without an experience? Probably you don't need any experience to start with affiliate marketing, right? And can you really get fast results in 30 days? Absolutely you can. People even start getting results in like 15-20 days, right? Because all you have to do is just get the traffic and nurture it and get them to buy. That's what this is. So now the business model. So what business should you do if all these businesses are not working? So the answer is that's the all new affiliate plus email marketing. Is it pandemic proof? Just like affiliate marketing, it is. Is it recession proof? Yeah, both these businesses thrive in the pandemic and recession. Is it having recurring income? Yeah. Is it having passive income? Because we are going to connect it with email marketing, so we can set up the automated emails for like years. Some people are having automation for like 365 days, so they are making money while they are sleeping, or maybe they are on the vacation, right? And also you can make money with some of the affiliate programs. As I told you, some of the affiliate programs are having the recurring income. That's also kind of passive income, right? Can it be automated? Yes, you could automate it and do a lot of different things with the affiliate marketing. It can be easily automated, right? Especially with the email marketing. Can you really start it without a huge budget? Absolutely, you can start it with a huge budget, and most of the softwares are having like 30-day free trial, right? And can you start it without any experience? Absolutely. And can you really get results in the 30 days? Absolutely. And when it is combined with the email marketing, it just goes crazy, right? It just starts to blast. So now you have figured out like what business to do, but how are you going to do it? So for that, here comes something. But before that, let me tell you in a clear way what is this new affiliate plus email marketing. So affiliate marketing is simply when you sell other people's products in return for a commission. But when you start collecting emails and send the promotional emails for the product, that is what called affiliate plus email marketing. And this is one of the business that a lot of the millionaires are doing. I am going to put a case study right in front of you in a minute. But before that, let me tell you how you can knock a goal of your like $5,000 in just 30 days. Because most people are making like $3,000 to $5,000 with their job. So if they can make $5,000-$10,000, they can really quit their job, right? So now let's say if you have a list of 1,000 emails. If you have a list of 1,000 emails, that means you can send the email to 1,000 people. So let's say you are promoting a product of $1,000 that gives 50% commission. That's $500. So if out of those 1,000 people in a month, if you are going to email them every single day, just 10 people are going to buy. you are going to make $5,000. You are going to make the sales of $10,000 and 50% of that will be yours. That's $5,000. Can you just get 10 sales from those 1,000 people? That's how much easy it is. Not only that, you will also making $5 per email per month. Now this is not a guarantee. Some people make like $1, some make $2, some make $10. Just like Alex Becker used to make like $8, and even some of the people are making $20. That's how much crazy this is. But it actually depends on the relationship. But if you are going to put a really good relationship, you can make a consistent amount of money every single month from your email list, right? So now I have shown you how to make 5,000 in the 30 days. Now what is the blueprint? I have created the ATM blueprint for this business model. So what exactly is this ATM blueprint? So basically, first off comes the foundation, because the big things happen here. A lot of people just miss it. They miss their mindset, they miss themselves. Because if you don't have the belief system, you don't have the mindset to make it successful, then you just cannot make it. You have to reshape your mindset. You have to reset it. You have to build a whole new belief system from scratch. That's what it takes. And the second thing is you. The more you are going to grow, the more your business will grow. The business is actually the reflection of you. If you are going down, your business will be going down. If you are going up, your business will be going up. That's how the things are related. Thereafter comes the traffic. Traffic is simply the people. You are finding the people on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or wherever on the internet, right? And then you are going to simply capture their email address. For example, you have seen a lot of email opt-ins, like you are going to get some ebook or maybe a training, and then they are going to collect your email address, and then they are going to start sending you valuable emails, and then they are going to link you to the product or maybe the course that can really change your life. Maybe as an affiliate, you don't have to really hard sell, because you just need to promote the free trial. You just need to give them the free masterclass. You just need to give them the free book. That's what you need to do, and the owner of that product will do all of the selling for you. That's how affiliate marketing is done. And to be honest, it's a fabulous business. You are helping someone achieve their goals. What could else you do? You are literally just changing their life. That's how much powerful this business model is. Now let's just see some of the case studies. You have probably seen this guy, Russell Brunson, right? He actually built ClickFunnels on the complete like email marketing, right? Email marketing is a big chunk of it, because he actually started with like potato guns, and all of those businesses from years and years have one thing in common: email marketing. That's how his company is now worth $1 billion. I think it's way more than that maybe, but a huge chunk of that money comes from the email marketing. You can simply subscribe to his list and see he emails every single day, maybe sometimes 2-3 times, right? That's how he built it, ClickFunnels. And the second guy is the Tony Robbins. Probably everyone knows this guy. I'm not saying that whole of his wealth has been built with just email marketing, but a huge chunk of his revenue actually comes from email marketing. Because you have probably seen that he launched a product of the Knowledge Business Blueprint, Knowledge Broker Blueprint. They actually made like $20 million in a very short period of time. I don't know the time frame, maybe in a day or whatever it is. But a huge chunk of that money actually came from the email marketing. And today he is having unleashed power within virtual. How does he promote that? He actually uses social media, but a huge part of that is the email marketing, because that is the consistent. Anyone can ban his Facebook account, YouTube account, Google account, but his email list is biggest asset. So if you really want to build a business like this, then I am giving away the free ATM blueprint in the description. Also, I will be giving you guys courses and tools for $2,000 for free. So if you want that, simply just click the link in the description and enter your name and email, and then I will send you access to this blueprint and course and tools. So now I will see you inside of that $2,000 worth of course.